maybe what you want to do for Dad is you want to go out to the shop or the garage, wherever he does his stuff, and organize it for or with him.
Ooh.
I would love if my kids came and said, hey, Dad, it's Saturday, and what we're going to do today is spend the entire day helping you organize your shop.
That's a good idea.
That is a great idea.
How do you give that as a gift? Is it like a coupon? You do like a coupon book?
No.
Shop clean?
You show up on Father's Day and you say, I have nothing else to do today but help you do what you want me to help you do.
So you're saying
That's an
you're gonna
amazing
show
gift.
up and say,
Okay, you have to show up with coffee.
you have to show up and say, Dad, guess what you're doing today?
Here,
You're working all day,
Buy-
but we're helping you.
buy coffee and then write free labor right on the side. And like, here's your Father's Day gift.
All right.
It's a coffee and it comes with free
Pretty
labor.
good idea. I would love that if my kids helped me.
Well, I would love that. I've actually had that gift in the past, and it's a great, great gift, but it's the gift that keeps on giving, or it's the gift you should keep on giving.
Yeah, or an organized shop is unbelievable.
Yeah.
It's nice having that.
There's a lot of ways you can do that. If you've got bare walls in the shop or in the garage and your tools are all in toolboxes or on the workbench or not organized well, there's an opportunity to put some organization up on the wall. Maybe you've got cabinets up there, or maybe you have an opportunity to have cabinets up there. You can buy some super heavy duty, durable, like diamond plate sort of shop cabinets. You can get those at actually Par Design Center sells that very type of product. That's a great gift idea for Dad. If you've got a little extra money to spend, some organization in the garage or in the shop is a great idea.
Yeah.
Or you can do it as simply as buying some 4x8 sheets of 1/4-inch pegboard and some 1x2 backing and put some pegboard up on the wall, which will allow him to hang some tools or maybe even draw some little outlines of the tools right up on the pegboard. So every tool has its home up on the wall. Easy to find, easy to see, easy to access.
And easy to see when somebody's borrowed one.
Yeah, absolutely.